Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1 to Step. And today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can have your full screen on MetaTrader 5. First of all, just make sure that your device has a stable Wi-Fi connection. After making sure of that, just go into your MetaTrader 5 app. And after that, you can see it is right now on the full screen. If anything else appears on your screen, you can just pinch it down and you can see all of the options that you want or wish for on your trades. Here you can see if I pinch down and pinch up, my view of the screen changes, and that's how you can adjust your full screen on your MetaTrader 5. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.